Let's take a look at how to create interactive and dynamic dashboards using Claude AI. The best part is, we'll get Claude to do all the heavy work and get a fully functioning dashboard in just a few minutes. No coding and no complex steps. Start by signing into Claude. From a new conversation, upload the file you want to build your dashboard from. In this case, it's an Excel file. You can download a copy below if you want to follow along. Now here's the part most people struggle with, and that's trying to write the perfect prompt themselves. Or they may not even know how to write a dashboard prompt in the first place. So let's have Claude write a dashboard prompt for us. To do that, in the prompt box, type something like this. Write a prompt that will accomplish the following. Look at the uploaded Excel file and act as a top-tier expert in prompt writing and dashboard design. This data has order data from my company and has sales, profit, and product data. Create a CEO/CFO-level dashboard for the company. The dashboard should be simple, easy to understand, and highly interactive. Include at least 5 visuals or charts, along with slicers and filters for exploration. Some charts to include are a line graph, bar graph, tree map, and others. Make sure the dashboard highlights key insights and helps leadership quickly understand performance and trends. Once that's complete, go ahead and enter it. So what you're really doing is getting Claude to write a highly detailed dashboard prompt for you. That's better than what most people could write for themselves. Once that's complete, the next step is to copy the prompt into a new conversation, upload the file again, and have Claude do its thing. But it's always a good idea to review the prompt to make sure everything's correct. For example, maybe you don't like the titles or the labels. Moving on, let's go ahead and copy the prompt, start a new conversation, paste it, upload our file, and enter it. Now we just need to wait. As you can see, here's the finished results. And yes, Claude did create a pretty slick looking dashboard. It's interactive, and the filters and charts look like they're behaving. If we like the results, we can download a copy of the HTML file. But if we don't like anything, we can type a prompt telling Claude to make some changes. For example, the title of the dashboard, the colors used, and even the chart types. While making this video, I made a few variations of the dashboard just to see what Claude would produce, and you can see them here. I also toyed around with uploading a screenshot of an existing dashboard, asking Claude to use the color schemes and a landscape orientation. And frankly, it didn't work. Like, not at all. For whatever reason, Claude took the prompt it wrote, decided to go rogue, and create this weird, non-functional upload Excel file thing. Anyhow, moving on. At this point, people often ask, what do you do if the data changes? Well, unfortunately, the options aren't that great. The first option is to recreate the dashboard by uploading an updated copy of your data. Another, more viable option would be to upload your data into Google Sheets and then connect it to Data Studio, which in turn raises other questions that go beyond the scope of this video. Now, if you're using the free version of Claude to create your dashboards, things can be a bit unpredictable. Sometimes everything works, other times not so much. Let me know how it goes for you in the comments below. All right, in conclusion, if you're not good at building dashboards, Claude AI can create a functional one for you in minutes that you can then share out through an HTML file. So it's a plausible solution. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.